Here's my 2005 F-350 Powerstroke. Been having an issue when it comes to cold start. I think I got a couple injectors on the way out. In final drive it starts bucking and everything. So this morning we're gonna try without arch oil. Then I'm gonna put this in. And then tomorrow I'll give you guys another cold start. We'll see how the arch oil figured it out. Apparently it's the end all be all. So right now it's gonna be without.
It's worth noting that it's only about 35 degrees. It maybe got down to 31 night prior.
Real rough. I've already checked the FIC and voltage and everything, voltage in my batteries. So those aren't really the issues there. So yeah, let's add this in and see if this helps.
Between the 7.3 Powerstroke and the 6-liter Powerstroke, this arch oil stuff should be helping out with that stiction issue that anyone has. Apparently, everywhere I've been reading, people swear by it.
So just added that. I'll let it idle for a little bit, get it all mixed in, and then tomorrow morning we'll try another cold start. All right, let's try starting it up with arch oil. It was only in about the 30s last night. Alright, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, man. Nice. Yeah, it's not the coldest of a cold start, obviously, but that worked pretty damn good. Not surprised that it worked. It's just that never seen anything work that nice. Yeah, I was driving around yesterday. I noticed that the bucking kind of stopped whenever I was in final drive, around 48 to 50 miles an hour. I noticed a lot of bucking and stuff, and that pretty much subsided. So thankfully that arch oil pretty much took care of all my issues. We'll see how it does when it's a little bit colder out. Now though, I can say that I can stretch my injectors out a little bit longer. So yeah, thanks for watching. It's just a little quick blurb of the arch oil actually working. So appreciate it.